Morning folks, Sunday means one thing, magnet fishing. I'm Chris, Netherton Magnet Fishing UK, out with the old man again.
Good morning, with my new t-shirt.
With his new t-shirt,
Aye.
with Bobby Yami on it.
Yes.
Take your jacket off, Bob, let's have a look at it.
On, let's get off that one.
Look at that, look at that for a Boston t-shirt,
Great blokes.
Today with Cindy,
Morning.
first time magnet fishing.
Yes, I haven't got the clothes what everybody wears, but next time, yes.
Now today with, it is Soldier Boy.
Hey.
Please like and subscribe.
Thank you.
So we're just waiting on the Johnsons to come along, so let's do a bit of fishing. Got a Bob's first find. To be honest, I don't know what it is. I just don't know. Don't know. Let's fish on. Back again. Bob's find again. Looks like the stock off a rifle, the end of the rifle. It goes up against your shoulder, like that kind of thing. Get that gun out, Bob. Stop mucking about.
I will.
Let's fish on. Just had a shower from Cindy. Got herself a little mystery bag. Rip it open then, mate. Let's see what's in there.
I've got to get my gloves off. Oh, a bit of jewellery and some coins.
Ooh. Drop something. There it is. Some coins and a bit of bling by the looks of it. Well done, Sin. Your first find.
Yes, I know. I'm so
Brilliant.
happy.
Just had a shower from the old man again. Got himself, I think it would house a coin. Some kind of coin box.
I thought it was a fag box, or did like it.
I would say it's a coin.
Yeah,
That's plausible, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well done, Holden.
Oh.
Just been joined by some good friends. Here it is, Carolyn, Muscles. And here's the old safe cracker himself. Here's our Ben. Nice to see you both back. Let's do some fishing. Back again. I've got a mystery bag now. Just going to get the Holden to open it up for us. What's in here, Pops?
I don't know. Is it coming out? This was power thing, power adapter.
I went to the door.
Oh well. Nothing special. Let's fish on. Back again, just been joined by Johnson's Adventures. Here's little Freddie having a bash as well. There's Paul, Charlie and the rest down there. And my next find, I've got myself a poker chip. The old man said he's going to give me a tenner for it, so I said, yeah, no problem. There you are. Hey. Oh, he's changed his mind now, look you. Never mind.
It makes you money.
Let's fish on. Just had a shot from our Sin. All mucked up.
Yes.
He's got a fuss safe. Been broke into, but well done, girl. Nice one. Let's fish on. Back again. Got a car CD player by the looks of it. Yep, somebody's robbed it out of somebody's car. And a set of handlebars. Let's fish on. Next find, the lid off a saucepan. Probably fell off one of the narrowboats. Let's fish on. Next find, I think it's an offering. Indian offering, some sort of god or something like that. I don't know whether You can zoom in on it. Well, I'll take a photo of it. Back in a bit. Here's our Ben. Got his pair of forging clippers, these are. I used to use them when I was a young'un. I used to be a black.
Work.
Yeah, I used to be a blacksmith.
Oh, they do work.
Fantastic. Good find, son. Well done. Just had a shaft and the Howden. What you got?
I got a barge pole.
Look at that beaut.
Like I say, I'm soft as a barge pole. That's nice, that is.
Well done, Pops. Nice one.
Thank you.
Back again. Got a glass case. Some of the spectacles inside. Nice case, huh? Bit beaten up. Let's fish on. Next find, remains of a junior hacksaw. Just had a shaft from our Bob. Got his first sight.
Yeah.
Nice one. Turn it over, mate, see if there's anything in it. Been kicked in.
It's kicked in now. There's nothing in there.
Nice one, Bob.
Oh, great. First one.
First safe. Well done, son. Next find from Cindy. Some sort of locking mechanism that's been smashed. So well done, Sin. Nice find. Next find, the remains of a fold up bed. It's now been in long because there's no rust on it. Let's fish on. Next find, nice old padlock. That's been in a while. Let's fish on. Next find, the handle off the dumbbells, the weights. Let's fish on. Back again. Old padlock. That's been in a long time. Let's fish on. Just had a shaft from Bob. Got a nice fishing lure. It's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well done, son.
Thank you.
Right, folks, that's it. Time's caught up with us yet again. So from myself, Cindy, Bobby Yam Yam,
See you, everybody.
another to Magnifisher UK, the Johnsons, fantastic family. There's Paul, and not forgetting Soldier Boy. Nice to see you again, fella. So till next time, bye.
You forgot about me.
I ain't forgot about you. Say bye.
Bye.
Stay safe.
See ya.